There are lots of different ways that you can use a bed prop during your newborn photography sessions.
We're going to show you step by step how you can introduce 3 new poses into your workflow straight away.
Okay, so on this bed we have a stuffer underneath the bottom layer and then a little pillow for baby's head. And then at the bottom we have one to keep feet up and one so that baby is positioned more towards the front than the back. And then we're going to pop her on her stomach, head up on the pillow. Hopefully we get a little foot off the edge and then another one coming around underneath her bum. So we try and get baby off to sleep in the position that she's going to be in the bed. Just because if we got her off to sleep on her back and then flipped her over, she'll have a startle reflex and she might wake up. So if we can get her to sleep in this position, then hopefully we'll be able to place her straight on the bed and keep her asleep. So we've had a little change of outfit, and now we've got to change of setup, and we're going to move on to pose number 2.
So for this one, we are shooting downwards, so baby is going to be lying flat on her back. We haven't got any stuffers in, but we have got a little pillow at the back.
Okay, so for the last position, we're going to get baby to lean on the edge of the bed. So for this one, we're going to get her to sleep in this position. And then when she's off to sleep, we're going to be placing her resting on the headboard of the bed. Ready?
Yeah. Got it.
We hope you found this useful, and if you have any questions about anything that we've done on this video, just leave them in the comments.
We've got loads more tutorials over on our channel, so don't forget to head over and click subscribe so you'll be the first to see the next one.